Okay, hi guys, hello. Welcome you all to Learncrew and for the exciting news for today is we had an overwhelming response for our previous set of videos, that is for Super 20 test series for IBPS Clerical. Now we are bringing you the new program which is for your IBPS Clerical Mains, IBPS PO Prelims, Mains and also for your RRB. So do not waste any further. You won't get this kind of content anywhere on the YouTube. So please do subscribe to the channel. And in case if you are planning to start your preparation for your banking, SSC or for your railways, do look no further. We are having an exclusive program designed for you people to crack the exam much more conveniently with a rigorous study pattern. So do stay subscribed and follow us for more details. Enquiry form is given below. Please fill it up. Our team will give you a call back and we'll reach out to you and help you. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, welcome to today's session on IBPS RRB PO-Mains 2024 mock test 1. So in this fantastic 5 series of your IBPS RRB PO-Mains, we will start with our first test, that is on quantitative aptitude. First mock test, quantitative aptitude section part. Please see question number 1 to 40 were on reasoning and 41 to 80 are on quantitative aptitude. See here, in each of these questions one term in the given number is wrong. Find the wrong term. 183, 596, 640, 863, 889. Which is the wrong term? So if you see here, 1 plus 9 square plus 1 is 83. And 83 plus 8 cube, 8 cube plus 1, 512 plus 1, 513 plus 83, 596. Now 596 plus 7 square plus 1, 596 plus 49. 596 plus 49 is 646. 646. So 646 plus again 6 cube plus 1. So 646 plus 217, you are going to get 863, which is correct. So the wrong term is 640. Here 640 is the wrong term. Next. Question number 42. 40, 41, 43. If you see here, 1, 2, 43, 53. And then here how much? 56 and 181. 56 and 181, it is 5 cube now. 5 cube. So what you can say now, 40 plus 1 is 41. So 40 plus 1 power 1. Then 41 plus 2 is 43. 43 plus 3 square is 52. 1, 2, 3. Now 52 plus 4 is 56. Then 56 plus 5 cube. So 1 power 1, alternatively 3 power 2, then alternatively power 1, power 2, power 3. So 56 plus 125 is 181. So what is the wrong number here? Wrong number is 53. In that place 52 has to be there. Now 1, 7, 19, 40, 69, 111. So what is the wrong number? So 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus how much? 12. So 1 plus 2 square plus 2. 1 plus 2 square plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 square plus 3 is 19. And 19 plus 4 square plus 4 is 39. So 40 is the wrong number. If it is 39, 39 plus 5 square plus 5, 69, which is correct. So wrong number is 40 here. In that place, right number is 39. Next, please see a series 3, 2, 3, 8, 36 to 96. If another series 9 and so on, M follows the same pattern as the given number, then find the value of M. So 3, 2, 3, 8, 36, 296. So 3 into 0.5, 1.5 plus 0.5. Then 2 into 1 plus 1. Then 3 into 2, 6 plus 2. Then 0.5 becomes 1, 1 becomes 2. 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 36. Now 36 into 6. 36 into not 6, 8. Because 0.5 becomes 1, becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 has to become 8. 36 8s are 288. 288 plus 8 is 296. Similarly, 9. 9 into 0.5 plus 5 plus 0.5 is how much? 9 into 0.5 is 4.5. 4.5 plus 0.5 is 5. So 5 into 1 plus 1 is 6. 6 into 2 plus 2 is 14. 14 into 4, 56 plus 4 is 60. So the answer would be 60 into 8, 480 plus 8, 488. The answer is 488. Next, a series is 11, 12, 19, 55, 180, 436. If 744 is the nth term, then find the value of n. So 11 plus 1 is 12. And 12 plus 7 is 19. Then 19 plus 36. So it is 7 power 1. It is 8 power 0. It is 6 square. Then 55 plus 5 cube is 180. 180. Similarly, 180 plus 4 power 4 is 436. And 436 plus 3 power 5, 5 power 5 na? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3 power 5. 436 plus 81 is how much? 679. 679. 3 power 5 is 243. 243. So now 679 plus 2 power 6. 679 plus 64 is 743. 743 plus 1 power 7 is 744. So first 11, then next first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So it is the ninth term. So it is the ninth term. So answer is 9. Then question number 46. Ranju, Tina and Madhav enter into a partnership with investments of rupees P, 1.5p and P plus 10,000 rupees respectively. After 1 year, Srinu joined with them investment equal to double the initial investment of Ranju, means 2p. At the end of 2 years, they earned a total profit of 63,000. And share of Madhav in the profit is 18,900. 18,900. Find the value of P. Find the value of P. If you see here, their investments, what is given here? Ranju, Tina and Madhav, their investments are P, 1.5P and P plus 10,000. So what I am doing it is, I can take it as proportion 2P, 3P and 2P plus 20,000, so that everything will be in the integers, right? Integer form. Now here Srinu joined with a capital of how much? Double the initial investment of Ranju, which is 2P, which is how much? 2P. Now what is given? According to the question, now what we have? At the end of 2 years, they earned a total profit of 63,000. So and the share of Madhav in the profit is 18,900. See here, Ranju, Tina and Madhav. Here the total profit is 63,000 and the share of Madhav is 18,900. So what you can say here, 2P plus 20,000 is the total share of Madhav out of 2P plus 3P, 5P plus 2P plus 2,000 plus 2P. So you can say it is 9P plus 20,000. Okay, this is the total profit out of 63,000 and this value is given as 18,900. 18,900. Right? Now, see here, are you able to follow or not? For 1 year it is P, 1.5P and P plus 1,000. 2 years, that's why I am multiplying each with 2. Now, it is his investment is to double of P and his investment is there for only 1 year. That is the reason it is actually P into 2. It is 1.5P into 2. It is P plus 10,000 into 2. I1 T1 is 2, I2 T2 is 2, I3 T3. Like that, the application. Now if you see here, simplify this. If you simplify this, you will get the value of P. That's it. So what will you get here? If you simplify here, how much do you get? 6,300 3 times, 6,300 10 times. So further, if you simplify, 10 into 2 20P, 3 into 9 27P, 27P minus 20P, 7P. One is 2 lakhs, the other is 60,000, which is 1,40,000. Thereby P would be 20,000. The value of P is how much? 20,000 here. Option 1 is the correct answer. See, here you have to be careful in reading the question. The ratio of the ages of Sonu and Bimal before 6 years. Before 6 years was 4:3. 4:3. After 4 years, the ratio of their ages would be 17:14. So 4x and 3x, this is plus 10, this is plus 10. The ratio becomes 17:14. So from this, what do I get? I will get x as, so 4 14 is 56, 7 3s are 17 3s are 51, 5x. So I will get 5x is equal to 30, thereby x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6, thereby present age of Sonu. Sonu present is 4x plus 6, which is 4 into 6, 24 plus 6, 30. And present age of Sonu is 30, right? And present age of Bimal would be 3 into 6, 18 plus 10, 28. Okay. Now, ratio of the present ages of Moni and Laltu is 7:8 respectively. After 4 years, their ages will be in the ratio 8:9. So, Moni and Laltu at present is 7:8. So, after 4 years, their ages will be in the ratio 8:9. So this one part increase is 4 years. So 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32. This one part increase of both is because of 4 years. One part is 4 means 7 parts is 28, 8 parts is 32. Find the sum of the present ages of Sonu present is 30 and Moni present is how much? 28. So 30 plus 28. The answer is 58. The answer is 58 years. Next. Question number 48. A sum of 48988.8 on compound interest at 8% after 2 years. A sum amounts to 48988.8 on compound interest at 8% per annum in 2 years. Another sum amounts to 43,200 on simple interest at 4% per annum after 5 years. After 5 years. Find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on both the sum together. Both the sum together at 12% per annum. So see here, it is 8% per annum for 2 years compound interest. So if 100% is the principal, then 116.64%. This is given as 48988.8. Okay, thereby one more. Another sum amounts to 43,200 on simple interest at 4% simple interest in 5 years. So 120%. This is first case. This is second case. This is compound interest, simple interest. 120% is 43,200. Now find the difference between the compound interest. Find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on both the sums together. Both the sums. Find the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on both the sums together at 12% per annum after 3 years. After 3 years. So both the sums together. What is the principle here? Is it correct or not? A sum amounts to 48,988.8. So here what would be 100%? So 116 are. So I hope 116 are how much? 48. 116 are 348. So 116, how much you are going to get here? First sum. 116 4s are 464. So it is 42,000. It is 42,000. So first sum is 42,000 and second sum here 100% would be how much? 36. 1236 are 432. Thereby 100% is 36,000. Sum of these two, 42,000 plus 36,000 is 78,000. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on the sum of these two for 3 years, P into R by 100 whole square. R by 100 whole square into R by 100 plus 3. Direct formula you have. So if you apply this, how much do you get? 4 3s are 4 25s are. So 78,000 into 3 square is 9, 25 square is 625, and it is 4 3s are 4 25s are. 75 plus 3 78, 78 by 25. So how much you are going to get here? If you observe clearly, 78 20 60, it is 3125. So approximately you are going to get very close to 3500. So answer is option 2. Option 2 is the answer. Option 2 is the answer. Next, question number 49. Pipe P and pipe Q together can fill a cistern in 12 minutes. With pipe R and pipe S, they can fill the cistern in 20 days. 20 days. Is 20 days or 20 minutes? I think it is. I think everything is 20. Everything is days only. Days or minutes, man. Pipe P and pipe Q together can fill a cistern in 12 minutes. With the pipe R and pipe S, they can fill a cistern in 20 days. Efficiency of R is double the efficiency of pipe S. Pipe Q and pipe S can together fill the cistern in 20 days. Find the time taken by pipe P. Pipe P. Find the time taken by pipe P and pipe R together to fill the cistern. To fill the cistern. So what is the answer here? The answer here, pipe P and pipe Q together can fill a cistern in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. With the help of pipe R and pipe S, they can fill the cistern in 20 days. Efficiency of R is double the efficiency of S. Pipe Q and pipe S together can fill a cistern in 20 days. Pipe Q and pipe S together can fill a cistern in 20 days. And P and Q along with R and S, with pipe P, with pipe R and pipe S, pipe R and pipe S, pipe R and pipe S in 20 days. Yes or no? Pipe with pipe R and pipe S. So PQRS in 20 days. QS together in 20 days. So here you have C. P and Q together can fill a cistern in 12 minutes. With pipe R and pipe S, they can fill cistern in 20 days. So PQRS in 20 days. And pipe Q and pipe S together can fill the cistern in 20 days. 20 days. Efficiency of R is, so here the answer would be the tank will never fill. Tank will never fill. In a class, 54% of the students are passed in science, 58% of students passed in English, and 5% of the students are failed in both subjects. If the total number of students in the class is 600, number of students who are passed in only one subject, Please see here, 5% students failed in both. So 95% of 600 is how much? 570. So 570 and passed in science and English. Passed in, see how many passed in, 58% of students passed in English. 58% of passed in English. 58% of 600, 348. And passed in science, 54% of 600, 324. Okay, so now the question is number of students who passed in only one subject. So this is passed in English 348. This is passed in science 324. You need only this part. So this is actually this is N of E. N of E passed in English. Passed in English. Passed in English. Passed in science. This is what you can say E union S. E union S pass. So what is the formula for P of actually N of E union S is N of E plus N of S minus N of E intersection S. Right? Now N of E, now we require actually 324 passed in English, and what else we have? N of E union S is 570. So 324 and it is 348. 348 minus N of E intersection S. N of E intersection S, you will get how much? 102. This is 102. This is 102. This is 102 means required value. The required value would be total 570. 570 minus 102. 570 minus 102 would be 468. So answer is 468. Answer is 468. Now next question. Total population of a city is 8,000. People of different categories, wise, general, OBC, ST, SC live in the city. Okay. So general, OBC, ST, SC. Okay. Now you have males. Out of total population, ratio of males to females is 3:2. 3:2. 35% of total population belongs to general category. 35% of, so here also you have to take total. Total general how many? Total OBC, total ST, total SC, and thereby total. Right. Now 35% of total population belong to general category. Number of males who belong to OBC category is 40% of the total general population of the city. Ratio of number of males and number of females who belong to general category is 4:3, and the ratio of number of males to number of females belong to OBC category is 7:6. Number of ST males is 60% of the number of OBC males. Number of ST females is 40% of the number of general females. The rest population belong to SC category. Total population is 8,000. This is in the ratio 3:2. Males, females are in the ratio 3:2. 5 parts is 8,000, 1 part is 1,600, thereby 3 parts is 4,800, and 2 parts is 3,200. 3,200. The total is already given as 8,000 here. Now 35% of the total population belong to general category. 35% of 8,000 is 2,800. 2,800. And here number of, it is given general category males to females. Males to females is 4:3. 7 parts is 2,800. So each part is 400. 4 parts would be 1,600 and 3 parts would be 1,200. Now next, what is given here? What is given here? Number of males who belong to OBC category. Number of is 40% of the total general population of the city. So 40% of 20 number of males in the OBC is 40% of 2,800, which is 1120. Ratio of number of males to females in a general category is 4:3, and the ratio of number of males to females category in the OBC category is 7:6. 7 parts is 1120, thereby 6 parts would be 960. 1120 plus 960 is 2080. Right? Now next, ratio knocks over. Number of ST males is 60% of number of OBC males. Number of OBC males is how much? 1120. 1120 का कितना? 60%, which is 672. 672. Number of ST females is 40% of the general females. 40% of 1200 is 480. So 672 plus 480, which is how much? Here so it is 1152. 1152. Now the remaining would be how much? It is 32 means the remaining is 68, which is 1968. Rest population are SC category. SC category. Is there anything mentioned about the SC category? Is there anything mentioned about the SC category? Please see. 35% of the total population. Number of males who belong to OBC category 40%, ratio of number of males and number of females who belong to general category, and ratio of number of males to number of females OBC, and number of ST males 60%, number of ST females. Rest of the population belongs to ST. This category is given. Now this you can subtract 4800 minus this would be how much? It is 1408. 1408 means it would be how much? 560. 560. Thereby 1968, right? There now you got the entire table. Number of general males in the city. Number of general males in the city. General males in the city is what percentage more than SC females. So 1600 minus 560. 1600 minus 560 divided by 560 into 100. So 1040 is what percentage of 560? Less than 200%, very close. So answer is how much? 0 cancel. Now how much you are going to get? 10400 divided by 56. It is 185.7. So answer is option 3. Now next question, 52. If the number of OBC males in the city is increased by 20%. Now OBC males are how many actually? OBC males are 1120. 1120 increased by 20% means it becomes 120% of 1120, which is 1344. 1344. Then find the respective ratio of the increased OBC males. 1344 is to ST females 480. So what is the ratio here? How much you are going to get? 96 5s are and 96 14s are. 14:5. 14:5 is the answer. Next question number 53. Number of ST and SC population. Number of ST and SC population forms what percentage of total population city? ST population is how much actually? 1152. And SC population is 1968. The sum of these two is what percentage of 8000? So which is nothing but 3120. 3120. 3120 is what percentage of 8000? So what is the answer you are going to get here? So here less than 40%. So 39%. Next Find the difference between the general females. General females are 1200 and OBC females are 960. So the answer is 240. Answer is 240. Next 55. Find the sum of the ST males. ST males are 672. SC females. SC females are how much? SC females are 560. And OBC males. OBC males. OBC males are 1120. General females is 1200. If you add all these things, how much you are going to get? It is 3552. So answer is first one. Next, 56 to 60. The following table shows number of football matches played by 6 different teams. 6 different teams A, B, C, D, E, F. Number of matches won. Number of matches won, number of matches lost, and number of matches drawn. Some data is missing. So now please see here. Question number 56. 56. Total matches is played is 12. So lost, drawn are not given. 4 won, 4 lost. Drawn and these things are not given. So please see here question number 56. What is given? If the respective ratio of number of matches won to number of matches drawn by team B is 2:1. 1 to drawn are in the ratio 2:1. If these are 4, these are 2, thereby total would be 10. The total matches played by team B is approximately what percentage more or less than total number of matches played by team A? By team A. Total matches played by team A is 12. So here the question is total number of matches played by team B is approximately what percentage more or less than by team A? Team A is 12, this is 10. So 2 by 12. 2 by 12 means 1 by 6. 1 by 16 means 6 means 16.66 percentage, approximately 17. Approximately 17. So answer 3. Next, if the total number of matches played is 100, the total number of matches played is 100, and the ratio of the number of matches played by B and E is 2:5. 18 plus 12, 30. 30 plus 35, 65. Sum of these two is 35. So 7 parts is 35. Each part 5. So 2 parts is 10. 5 parts is 25. The number of matches played by E is what percent of the number of matches played by D? So 25 is what percent of 20? So answer is how much? 125%. The answer is 125%. Option 2. Next, question number 58. Respective ratio of number of matches lost and number of matches drawn by D. Lost and drawn. The sum of these two is 10. And so they are in the ratio 3:2. It is 6. It is 4. And the respective ratio of number of matches won and number of matches lost by F. Okay, what? 1 and lost. 1 and lost is 5:3. 1 and lost is 5:3 by F. So if this total is 18, this is 2. The sum of these two is 16. 16 means it is 10, it is 6. Find the respective ratio of number of matches lost by team D. Number of matches lost by D, 6. And F also lost 6. 6:6 is 1:1. So answer is 1:1. Next question. Next question. Question number 59. Respective ratio of number of matches played by team C and team E are 3:5. So 3 parts 15, 5 parts 25. if none of the matches are drawn by team A, total number of matches lost by team A, so 5 is what percentage of the total number of matches lost by team E? Out of 25, this is 5. So 15, 5, 5. So what is given? Total number of matches lost by A is 5. Is what percent of the total number of matches lost by E? 5 is what percent of 5? 100%. Next. See, you have to be fast in understanding as well as in answering. As I am explaining, I am taking time, but if I am doing or if you are doing, you have to be very fast because you are into the mains. If the respective ratio of the number of matches won and number of matches drawn by team C is 4:1. 4:1. So it is given that matches won and matches drawn 4:1. 5 parts is 10. So it is 8, it is 2. Won and drawn are in the ratio 4:1. Respective ratio of number of matches won and lost by team F is 3:1. F is 3:1. So 16. 4 parts is 16. 3 parts is 12. 3. Am I correct or not? 3 parts is 12. This is 4. Find the difference between number of matches won by team C and team F. 12 minus 8. The answer is 4. Next, bag P contains some red balls and 4 green balls. Bag P contains some red balls and 4 green balls. Bag Q contains 6 white balls and some blue balls. Probability of drawing one green ball from bag P is 2/3. Probability of drawing one blue ball from bag Q is 2/5. Find the sum of the probability of drawing 2 red balls from bag P and 2 white balls from bag Q. So the total number of balls in bag P is 4. There are X red balls and 4 green balls. Out of 4 plus X balls, drawing one green ball is 4C1 divided by 4 plus XC1. 4 plus XC1. This is 2/3. This is 2/3. So from this what you get? So 4C1 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Thereby you will get X as 2. X as 2. This is bag P. What about bag Q? Bag Q white ball are 6 and blue ball are some Y. Thereby total number of balls are 6 plus Y. Out of them, drawing one blue ball. Drawing one blue ball is YC1. YC1 by 6 plus YC1 is given as 2/5. So 5/12. So thereby you will get Y is equal to here 4. Y is equal to 4. YC1 is Y, NC1 is N, right? So X is 2, Y is 4. So now the required probability, find the sum of the probability of drawing 2 red balls from bag P. 2 red balls from bag P means 2C2 divided by total balls are 4 plus 2 6. 6C2 plus and 2 white balls. 2 white balls means it is how much? 6C2 divided by total 6 plus 4 10. 10C2 and here it is 2C2 is 1, 6C2 is 15, 6C2 is 15, 10C2 is 45. So it is nothing but 15, 3 15s are, 3 5s are. So 1 plus 5, 6/15. 6/15 means how much? 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So answer is 2 by 5. Answer is 2 by 5. 98 liter mixture of milk and water contains milk and water in the ratio 5:2 respectively. The milkman sold 35 liters of the mixture and added 5 liters of milk and 2 liters of water to the remaining mixture. Quantity of milk in the final mixture is what percent of the quantity of water in the final mixture. So please see here. Total is 98. So it is given that 35 is taken. 35 is taken in the ratio 5:2. 7 parts 35. So 5 parts 25, 2 parts 10. Thereby 98 liter of mixture of milk and water contains 5:2 means here you have 7 parts 98, each part 14. So 70 and 70, 5 14s, 2 14s, 28. Now minus 25, minus 10. And added 5 liters of milk and 2 liters of water. Quantity of milk in the final mixture 70 plus 5, 75 minus 25, 50. 28 minus 10, 18 plus 2, 20. Now the question is the quantity of milk in the mixture is what percentage of water? Answer is 250%. 250%. It is 20, it is 50. So it is 2.5 times, means 250%. Next, question number 63. Question number 63. Find the difference between the volume of a cylinder and volume of a cone having the same radius and same height. Radius is equal to length of the rectangle having area 1120 centimeter square and the breadth 32 centimeter. So 1120 is equal to 32 into L, that implies L is equal to 1120 by 32, which is 35. So the length is equal to the radius. The height is half of the radius. Radius is equal to length of rectangle. So radius is equal to how much now? 35 centimeter. And height is equal to how much? Height is equal to half of the radius. Now volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone is asked. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h and it is 1/3 pi r square h. Thereby you will get 2/3 pi 22 by 7 r square. R square is 35 into 35, h is 35 by 2. So now how much you are going to get here? If you simplify, how much you are going to get? So 7 5s 35, 2 11s 22. So the answer has to be 11 multiple. The answer has to be 11 multiple. Where you have the answer? Please see here. The answer has to be 11 multiple. First one, 4, no. Here 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 7, 26. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. So not exact value, right? 35 square. So how much we are getting here? Please tell me. What is the value? 35 into 35 into 5 into 11 into 2 by 3. So I will get approximately this value. Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. If you simplify this, you will get option 2 as the answer. Let's simplify. Next, 64. A train crosses a platform of equal length. A train crosses a platform of equal length in 9 seconds. In 9 seconds. It can cross another train of length 360 meter. Length 360 meter, coming from the opposite direction, the speed of 42 km per hour in 6 seconds. Find the time taken by the train to cover the distance of 1392 km. So if the length of the train is L meters and the speed of the train is S km per hour, then when the train crossing the platform, the distance covered is sum of the lengths of train and platform. Platform length is also train length, which is speed. What speed into speed is S km per hour converted into meters per second. Speed into time is 9 seconds. So thereby 2L is equal to how much? 5S by 2. 5S by 2, thereby L is equal to 5S by 4. Now, train crossing another train, L plus 360. L plus 360. So, both are moving in the opposite direction. S plus 42 into 5 by 18 with a time of 6 seconds. So, 6 3s are. So, from this, how much we have got here? 5, L is equal to 5S by 4, 5S by 4 plus 360 is equal to how much you are going to get? 5S by 3. 5S by 3 plus 70. From this, if I simplify, I will get S as 58 into 12, which is 696 km per hour. 696 km per hour. 696 km per hour is the value of S. Now find the time taken by the train to cover a distance of 1392. So time taken to cover 1392 km with a speed of 696 is 2 hours. How much? 2 hours. So answer is 2 hours. 65. Mohana sold an article at 10% discount on market price. Yet she earned a profit of 20% on cost price. So market price and cost price. Even after the article is sold at 10% discount, it is how much? Getting a profit of 20%. So now the market price of the article is how much? 368. The market price of the article is 368. This 120 is 368. Has she marked the price of the article 25% above the cost price? Above the cost price. What would have her profit allowing a discount of 15% on market price? Please observe here once again. What is given? This 120 is given as 368. So if there is a discount of 15%, let me take more clearly. So what is given here? 90%. The market price of the article is 368. So 90% of 368 is equal to 120% of cost price. So from this what you get? Cost price is equal to 276. So market price now how much? 25% more. So 125% of 276. 276, which is 345. And again there is a discount of 15%. Discount of 15%, thereby it is sold at 85% of 345, which is 293.25. So cost price is 276, final selling price is 293.25, thereby there is a profit of 17.25. 17.25, option 2 is correct. Next, question number 66. statement 1 and 2 are there. You have to decide whether data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer question. The age of 3 friends. The age of 3 friends P, S and M are x minus 8, x plus 4, x plus 2 respectively. Find the age of M. Find the age of M. The average age of P and S taken together is x minus 31. Is x minus 31. Years less than the average age of Sumit and S and M together. So from this what you can say, what I can write, so x minus 8 plus x plus 4 by 2 is equal to how much? X minus 31 years less than M and S average. So x plus 4 plus x plus 2 by 2 minus x minus 31. If you simplify this, what you are going to get? You are going to get x as 36. Thereby M would be 36 plus 2, 38. Only one is sufficient. Only one is sufficient. What about 2? What about 2? The average age of Punit Sumit taken together is 5 years less than the average age of Sumit and Mudit taken together. So x minus 8 plus x plus 4 by 2 is x plus 4 plus x plus 2 by 2 minus 5. If you simplify this, how much you get? Here you will get x plus 4 by 2, x plus 4 by 2 cancel. Thereby x minus 2 is equal to x plus 3 minus x minus 5. Finally you will get x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2 only. X minus 2 only. There is no solution. Only one is sufficient. Only one is sufficient. Now what about 67? Also based on sufficiency only. Please see here, 15% of the mixture. What is given? You have to decide a vessel is completely filled with mixture of milk and water in the ratio 5:4 respectively. Find the capacity of vessel. If 15% of the mixture is taken out from the vessel and is replaced with the same amount of water as that of the mixture taken out, the ratio of milk and water to the vessel becomes 17:19. 17:19. 17:19. Is it so? What about second one? 90 liters of water is added to the initial mixture. The ratio of milk to water becomes 4:5. 4:5. So please see here. So initially, just now we have already completed this sort of model question in our regular void-based questions. 5x and 4x. When 90 is added, the ratio becomes 4 by 5. So from this, what I am going to get? 9x is equal to 360. 9x is equal to 360 means x is 40. X is 40. X is 40. The capacity would be 9x, which is 360. Therefore, to find the capacity of the vessel, only 2 is sufficient. Only 2 is sufficient. Only 2 is sufficient. 1 is not useful. 1 is not useful. So answer is only 2. Only 2. Now 68. A bag contains marbles of 3 colors: pink, violet and purple. Find the total number of marbles in the bag. The bag contains x plus 3 pink marbles, x plus 5 violet marbles, x plus 7 purple marbles. The probability of drawing a purple marble from the bag is 8 by 21. So total number of purple is x plus 7. So x plus 7 C1 is x plus 7. Out of total how many bars are there here? X plus 3 plus x plus 5 plus x plus 7, which is how much? 3x plus 3 plus 5, 8 plus 7, 15. So 3x plus 15. 3x plus 15. is equal to 8 by 21. 8 by 21. If you simplify this, how much you are going to get? 21x minus 24x. 24x minus 21x. 3x is equal to 15 8s are 120, 21 7s are 147. 3x is 27, thereby x is 9. X is 9. So total number of things would be 3x plus 15. Therefore 3 into 9, 27 plus 15, 42. You will get the total value as 42. 42, 1 itself is sufficient. What about 2? The bag contains x plus 3, x plus 5, x plus 7. The probability of drawing a violet marble in the bag is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So x plus 5 divided by 3x plus 15 is given as 1 by 3. So if you simplify this, what you are going to get? 3x cancel. So you will get 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. You will get 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 here. So nothing is going to be derived from this. No solution. So 1 itself is sufficient. Only 1. 69. 69. See, A, B, C are hired to do a certain piece of work. A, B, C together can complete the work in 40 days. 40 days. In how many days C alone can complete the work? If A is 25% less efficient than B. So A is 25% less efficient than B. So the efficiency of A and B are 3:4. So times taken will be in the ratio 4:3. Okay. Now A, B, C can do a complete work in 40 days. In how many days C alone can complete the work? If A, first statement what is given here? A and C working together can complete the work in 60 days. A and C can complete the work in 60 days. A, B, C in 40. A, B, C 40. A, B, C 40. A, C 60. So B alone can complete the work in how many days? 60 into 40 by 60 minus 40. So it is 120. If B is able to complete the work in 120 days, then A will complete the work in 160 days. Yes or no? Now what is the question asked? In how many days C will complete? A plus C requires 60 days. So from this you can find out in how many days C alone will complete the work. So the first one alone is sufficient. What about second statement? B is 20% less efficient than C. B is 20% less efficient than C means the C efficiency would be 5. So 3:4:5. 3:4:5. 3:4:5 will be the efficiencies. So B is 20% less efficient than C. Now it is given that A, B, C together can complete a work in 40 days. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 into 40, 480. 480 divided by 5. So you can find in how many days? So either A or B. A alone is sufficient, B alone is sufficient. Either A or B alone can be sufficient. Now question number 70. Question number 70. A and B together started a business. A and B together started a business with initial investments in the ratio 2:3. After 1 year, A and B made additional investments in the ratio 3:2 respectively. Find the initial investment of A. The profit share of A out of the total profit of 2640 is 1200. And what? Additional investment of B is 600 less than 3. Profit share of B out of total profit. So here I can say only one or only two. So these two. Answer is 4. Answer is 4. It's very easy question. Now 71 to 75. So here what is given? The given bar chart shows the data regarding the number of employees who joined JO and number of employees who left LE. Who left LE? 5 different companies. 5 different companies A, B, C, D, E in different years. Assume that each of the given companies started in 2012 only. Find the average number of employees at the end of 2013. At the end of 2013 in company A, B and D together. So see, we have different companies here: A, B, C, D and E. So 2012 JO, 2012 LE, 2013 JO, 2013 LE, 2014 JO, 2014 LE. Okay, this is what is given, right? 12, 13, 14. 12, 13, 14. Now, see, we have to form this table, thereby it will be easy for me. Find the average number of employees at the end of 2013. So, how much it is? 2012, it is 150. So, the figures are 150. For B, it is 240. For it is 180. It is 200. And it is 160. And what about LE? It is 60. It is 60. It is 50. It is 40. It is 30. And it is 180. Already everything is there in the what? This again I need not write, but see here 150 and this is 90. This is 50, this is 80, this is 40, this is 60, this is 30. And 2014 150, 100, 120, 80 and 150. And 2014 LE. For A it is 50, it is 20, it is 40, it is 60, it is 30. Done. Now find the average number of employees at the end of 2013 in company A, B and D together. In company A, B and D together. So what does it mean? JO, joined, LE, leaving. So 150 minus 60 plus 180, 180 minus 50 is equal to how much? 90 plus 130 is 220 for A. For B how much? For B it is 240 minus 60 and 120 minus 80. Which is 180 plus 40, again 220. And what about C? It is 200 minus 40. 200 minus 40 plus 150 minus 60 at the end of 2013. So it is how much? It is 250. 250. Yes or no? A, B and D. A, B and D. So finally the average. What is the average you are going to get? 220 plus 220, 440. 440 plus 250. 690. 690 by 3 is 230. So answer is 230. Answer is 230. Now next question. The number of employees at the end of 2013 in company E. In company E is what percentage of the number of employees at the end of 2014 in company C. So at the end of 2014 in company C, how much? 180 minus 50 plus 80 minus 40 plus 120 minus 40. Thereby it is 250 in C. What about E in 13? E in 13 would be, E have a character notch. 72nd question, please see. 72nd question have a character notch. 180 minus 50, 80 minus 40, 120 minus 40. It is correct. And number of employees at the end of 13 in E would be 160 minus 30. Okay. And 90 minus 30. 130 plus 60 is 190. So this 190 is what percent of 250 is the answer. So more than 75, approximately 75 percentage. More than 75 actually. So answer is 76 percentage. 76 percentage. Now question number 73. Find the ratio of number of employees at the end of 2014 in company B. In company B up to 13 you have calculated as 220. 220. I have a character notch. So in company B is 220 up to 2013. And 2014 what happened? In 2014 it is 100 minus 20. So it is nothing but 300. B it is 300. What about C? C just now you have calculated as 250. So 300 is to 250. What is the ratio? 56 are 55 are. 6 is to 5 is the answer. Now question number 74. 74 question is not. Find the number of males who joined in 2012 in company A. Statement 1. The ratio of number of males at the end of 2012 in company A to number of males in company at the end of 2012 in company B is same as the ratio of number of females in the at the end of 2012 in company A to number of females at the end of 2012 in company B, that is 1:2. So from this can anything be done? See here, number of males at the end of 2012 in company A and number of males at the end of 2012 in company B is 1:2 is given. So if one is X, the other is 2X. Right? Also number of females at the end of 2012 of company A and number of females at the end of 2012 in company B is also 1:2. So that males, one is for males. I am taking as xn what? For males it is xn 2x. For females I am taking as yn 2y. So what I can say, x plus y is equal to 150 minus 60 90 and 2x plus 2y which is 240 minus 60 which is 180. So here also you can say from this x plus y is equal to 90. So when I take the first equation, when I take the first statement from the first statement, I am getting the same equation, so I cannot solve. So go to the second statement. Second statement, what is given? The ratio of number of males who left company A in 2012 to number of females who left company A in 2012 is 3:2. 3:2. Out of total 5 parts. So how many have left here? Out of 3/5 of 60. The number of males who have left company A in 2012. Company A 2012, how many are leaving here? 60 out of, so 3:2 means what? Total is 5 parts. Total is 5 parts means 3/5 of 60, which is 36 are males. Okay, and 24 are females. 24 are females. Now, what is the question asked here? The question asked here is what actually? Find the number of males who joined in 2012 in company A. In company A. So now statement 2 alone is not sufficient to answer the question. Statement 1 is not sufficient. Statement 2 is also not sufficient. So you can just find number of males who left the company in A in 2012, number of females who left the company in 2012. Only females and males who left you can find out, but who joined you cannot find out. So the answer is neither 1 nor 2. 74. Answer is 4. Now 75. 75. Quantity 1, quantity 2. Find the average number of employees who left in 2012. Who left in 2012 for company B, C and D. It is average means 60 plus 50 plus 40 divided by 3. How much? It is 150 by 3, which is 50. Average number of employees who left in 2013 from B, C and D. 80, 40 and 60. Divide by 3, which is 60. So 50, 60. So quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. So answer is option 2. Now next, 76 to 80. The bar graph shows the number of days taken by 5 boys to complete the work. Alok, Prashant, Neeraj, Kishan and Anup. Okay, the line graph shows number of days taken by the 5 girls to complete the work. Okay, so here the days are given. Okay, for example, here Alok take 12 days, right? Prashant takes 8 days. Like that you have days. Now, Alok and Trisha started the work and left after 4 days. Find the number of days taken by Rakhi to complete the work. Alok, Trishna and Rakhi. Alok 12 days and who else? Trishna, it is 8 days and Rakhi is 20 days. 28 and 12. The LCM is how much? 120. The LCM is 120. Total work is 120 units. Total work is 120 units. Thereby Alok in 12 days 120, 1 day 10. Trishna 8 days 120, 1 day 15. And Rakhi 20 days 120, 1 day 6. Alok and Krishna started the work 10 plus 15, 25 units. So 25 units for 4 days. 4 into 25, 100 is completed. The remaining is how much? 20 units. The remaining is 20 units, 6 per day by Rakhi. So 20 by 6 means 10 by 3. The answer is 10 by 3. Answer is 10 by 3. Next, the respective ratio of the efficiency of Prashant and Neeraj together. And the efficiency of Sonali and Kusum together. So Prashant takes 8 days, Neeraj takes 10 days. So they together can complete the work in 8 into 10 by 8 plus 10. Okay, in this time they can complete the work. Otherwise, in the units method, let me explain. 8, 10, LCM is 40, So in one day he can do 5. In one day he can do 4. 5 plus 4. Here the efficiency is 9. Here the efficiency is 9 if total work is 80. Similarly, Sonali and Kusum. Sonali 5 days and Kusum is 10 days. 5 and 10. The LCM is 10. So LCM is 10 means work is 10. When the work is 10, Sonali can do 5 days 10, 1 day 2, 10 days 10, 1 day 1. So if the work is 80, 2 into 8, 16, 8 into 1, 8. So 2 into 8, 16 plus 8, 24. And 5 plus 4, 9. If the total work is 80 units for both, they are doing 9, they are doing 24. 3 3s are, 3 8s are. So answer is 3 is to 8. Answer is 3 is to 8. Am I correct or not? Any mistake is done? Prashant and Neeraj. 8 and 10. Sorry. It is not actually 80, it is 40 now. So I have to make 4 times. I have to make 4 times here. So 2 4s are 8, 1 4s are 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 9 is to 12 means 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 is to 4 is the answer. 3 is to 4 is the answer. Now 78th question. Kishan and Anup work alternately for 6 days and left. Kishan and Anup. So Kishan, how many days? 14. Anup, how many days? 20. 14 and 20. The LCM is how much? 140. The work is 140. So he can do 10, he can do 7. He can do 7. Kishan and Anup work alternately for 6 days. So 2 days, 17. 17 into 3. 51 is done. Find the number of days taken by Meena and Kusum to complete the remaining part of the work. So Meena 15, Kusum 10, 15 10. The LCM is 30. So please see here. Here it is 30 work. Here I have taken as 140. Okay. Please see. Here I have taken the work as 140. Here I have taken the work as 140. Here I have taken the work as 30. So I am multiplying this with what? 3, this with 14. Thereby both the works will become 420, 420. Okay. So 140, 420 units is total work. So Kishan can do 30, Anup can do 21. 30 plus 21, 51. 51 alternately they are working for 6 days means 3 days each. 51 into 3, 103 is done. Now here 30 is the work, 420 is the work. 15 days 420. 15 days 420 means 15 20 eggs are. So Meena 28 and Kusum 42, which is 70. So out of 420 units, 51 into 3 is 153. 51 into 3 is 153. Out of 420 minus 153, the remaining work would be 267. 200, am I correct? 267. This will be completed by these together. question to complete the remaining work together in how many days? So what is the answer? 267 by 70. 267 by 70. So how much we are going to get here? 267 by 70. So 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21, 5 7. So approximately 38. 39. 39 by 10. 39 by 10. 39 by 10 days. 39 by 10 days. Do you have the option? Yes. Now question number 79. Find the number of days taken by all girls to complete the work together. So 15, 20, 15, 20, 5, 10 and 8. The LCM is 120. Total work is 120 units. So this person can do 8, this person can do 6, this person can do 24, this person can do 12, this person can do 15. So 8 plus 6, 14 plus 24, 38 plus 12, 50 plus 15, 65. 65, so the total work 120 by 65 days. 120 by 65 means 5 24s are, 5 13s are. 24 by 13 days is the total time taken. Now the last question in today's paper. Please see. Efficiency of Tina is 20% more efficient than Alok. So Tina, Alok takes how much time? 12 days. So here efficiencies of Tina and Alok are in the ratio 6:5. Thereby times taken in the ratio 5:6. It is already how much? 12. It is already known as 12. So it is 10. It is 10. Now Neera started the work and left after 2 days. Neera's capacity is 10 days. Find the number of days taken by Tina and Meena. Meena's capacity is also 15. So now here we have Meena 15 days. Please see, Tina's capacity is 10. Neera's capacity is 10. And Meena capacity is 15. So the total work I am taking as 30 units. 30 units. So Neeraj can do in 10 days. So 1 day 3. And Meena also 10 days. Meena also 15 days. Meena 15 days means 1 day 2. And Tina 10 days means 1 day 3. Neeraj started the work and left after 2 days. So Neeraj can do 2 into 3, 6 units. The remaining work is 24 units. Tina and Meena together have to do remaining 24 units. The capacity of them is 5 per day. So 24 by 5 days it will take to complete the remaining work. So answer is option 3. Option 3 is the correct answer. So like this you have to answer all the questions, and with this today's paper analysis on quantitative aptitude is done. Once again go through all the questions in our mains paper 1, mains mock paper 1, quantitative aptitude section. Thereby if you have any further doubts they can be clarified. So practice the mock tests, thereby you will get the actual crunch of your real examination. Okay, so papers are framed such that they match your examination standard. So you please prepare accordingly, thereby you can go with confidence. Right? Thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will again meet in our next session. Thank you so much.
Okay. Hope you all loved the video and we added some value to you. If you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel firstly. And if you are looking to join for the banking program or for SSC or for the RRB, so don't go further. You have the option of an online class, offline class, or even hybrid mode, or even the recorded classes. Whichever is your easy mode of access, please do join for that. And how to join, the details, everything is given below in the description. You can go back and check it out. And our Learncrew app is available both on Play Store as well as on App Store. Check it out and download it and have the complete subscription for